better
They're
than
huge, first of
regular
all.
toilets. A
आप
lot
लोग
of
कैसे
space.
पता अंदर से कैसे?
No, I've used.
नहीं,
I've-
कभी कभी अगर बाकी के टॉयलेट्स फ्री नहीं हो तो यू कैन यूज इट एंड या सो ऐसे यहाँ इंडिया में चाबी लगाते हैं, सिंगापुर में ऐसे नहीं था, मैं वहाँ पे रहती थी
Oh.
तो अगर ज्यादा स्पिल ओवर होता तो यू कुड गो देयर.
handicap toilets, handicap parking. See,
Yeah.
the definition of handicap also is subjective sometimes. You know, sometimes you just need more space to do things
Really?
you want to
Really?
do. Yeah.
अच्छा, I mean, the next time they might actually have an IQ test before you take a leak.
लेकिन हाँ देखो तुम
तीनों
कितना
को
आता है।
लगेंगे फिर,
तीनों
तीनों
को।
I know what the IQ test will be like. They'll show one joke that's been made with a Snapchat filter. And they'll be like, are you offended by this or
Are we
not?
talking about this? We are.
We have to.
We
no?
have to.
We will get to it in a
आपको
bit.
बुरा लग गया फिल्टर का, आप टॉयलेट नहीं जा सकते।
Rohini, what have you been up to?
I'm hosting this really crazy retro Bollywood show. I'm doing a lot of work right now with the radio.
Is it weird for you to be on this
It's
podcast
damn
right now
weird.
and
It's
not
damn
be
weird.
the host?
Because jab main here, when I had a seat, he was like, can I test your levels? I said, shut up, that's my line. Like, log usually mere studio aate and they're my guests, and I have to be like, don't raise your volume so much, and there'll be a blow and stuff. He's telling me that.
Yeah,
So
I'm like,
this
just like,
role
just
reversal
speak
is
into
kind of
the
like,
mic.
and also I'm so not used to not leading the conversation because we prep for our interviews. Like
Yeah.
Danny must have prepped, I'm assuming.
No, zero preparation.
Zero
no preparation
preparation.
at all. This is blank sheets
This
of
is just
paper.
X and zero.
Yeah, I just like having stuff on
Yeah,
the
so
table.
it's refreshing really, and I have a wonderful time at the radio right now. Also because we're doing so much more than what radio should be doing,
Yeah.
and that's great because it's about having real conversations with people.
Correct.
Actually getting to know them, and it's not just chatter, and it's not just
Yeah.
filling in the music. So I think that's happened with this new show that I'm doing. So
Very
I'm having
cool.
a great time. Yeah,
Very
thanks.
cool, very cool. So on this podcast, obviously there will be no ad breaks. So it will just be
And we
1
will not
hour.
cut songs.
बीच में गाने नहीं हाँ
हाँ, वो कट नहीं होंगे कभी. हाँ.
नहीं काटा।
But today is also a very big day because Game of Thrones season 7 episode 1 is officially out. Did you
It's
guys
launched.
watch it?
I can't watch it right now. It's a ritual. Like I'll finish my day,
Okay.
and I have to not be on social media all day.
Exactly.
And then I will be at home, and then वो sound, वो home theater system में सब कुछ perfect होगा. और फिर उसके बाद I will sit and watch it alone.
Yeah, I was forced to
which
watch
is-
it. I was forced to watch it. So it released at 7:30 on Hotstar, and I thought, okay, I'll watch it later. I logged on to Twitter by mistake. Already people are tweeting spoilers. I'm like, okay, I put the phone down, and just because I had to, you can't stay an entire day without
Yeah.
going on Twitter. So I actually had to watch the episode
First
just
world
because I
problems.
didn't
I can't
want.
stay a day
मैंने
without
Spoiler.
going on
सीजन 3
Twitter.
के बाद मैंने देखा ही नहीं
Oh.
क्योंकि यार मैं कहा कि अब क्योंकि जब वो हर अगले साल आता है वो
हाँ जी.
जब तक अगला एपिसोड में पिछला हुआ क्या था पिछले में मैं कब दोबारा देखूं तो मैं कहा ये तो एक साल में सीजन आएगा मैं 35 साल तक ये टीवी देखता रहूंगा थर्ड सीजन में ठीक है अच्छा है बहुत मान लिया और अब रहने देते हैं
No, so what I did
तो
last year.
तुम्हारे गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स में अब तक जॉन स्नो मरा नहीं है.
नहीं जॉन स्नो तो जिंदा ही है इंटरव्यू आ रहे हैं उसके लास्ट ईयर देखा है।
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया.
No, so what I did last year was, I mean, I was not a fan of Game of Thrones. I decided to watch all 6 seasons at one go last year. So in 10 days, I watched all 6 seasons when I went abroad. Didn't tell anyone, came back, and people were pissed off. They were like, why couldn't you tell us you were watching? Because people love discussing. No, spoilers. It's spoilers. It's, I don't know. It's some weird bloody competition where I've seen it. I know more than you, and I'm going to ruin your experience. And it's like,
Speaking of spoilers, like I do this retro show, right? Like now we're talking average movie जो है अभी वो 20 साल पुरानी फिल्म है. अभी भी लोग spoilers को लेके इतने touchy हैं that I was on air the other day and I said, Gupta Kajol is the killer. Okay. Now looking at this podcast, I don't want anyone to outrage because my point is 20 साल हो गए.
so people are still getting pissed off
In
with
20
this.
years, if you didn't have time to watch Gupt, I don't think you'll have it this year.
You are right.
Yeah, come on, yeah.
अब मतलब
So,
हाँ after a certain time you have to let it go.
You have to let it go, and then let us all freely discuss these things, but not Game of Thrones right now, please.
Yeah.
But the funny
you
thing
watched
is,
the episode?
yeah, I had to watch now because otherwise I won't be able to go on Twitter.
Okay, don't tell me anything. Don't tell me
And
anything.
the funny thing is, I haven't watched Gupt,
I haven't watched Gupta also.
but I do know. But I do know. But I have known for a very long time
Time
that
that
Kajol is the killer.
Exactly.
Yeah,
It has-
Sajid Khan के साथ हुआ था. I think he was in a loo of a movie theater,
हाँ.
and it was the interval of Gupt. And he went to the loo, and जहाँ पे I mean boys का loo कैसे होता है? I'm assuming कि एक cubicle होता है.
हाँ.
तो सामने दीवार पे
लिखो।
Kajol is the killer. And I think it is the worst way to spoil the
It is
film.
the
कि
worst.
interval में ही तुमने like there's no point. Actually, if you watch Gupt now, मतलब मजाक लगता है.
हाँ,
Like you think people are really hamming and all because you know what's happening, right, with that.
Yeah.
और हाँ मैं और एग्जैक्टली क्योंकि मैंने भी नहीं देखी थी, मुझे पता लग गया था. कल टीवी पे आ रही थी वो, और उसमें काजोल ना बड़ी प्यारी दिखा रहे हैं कि अरे मैं जा रही हूँ, मैं किलर है यार ये तो. हाँ भाई, यहीं से मैंने देख सकता मूवी को.
Exactly.
Okay, so on every episode, you know the format by now. It's
Yes.
a very popular podcast. Everybody knows what happens. So yeah, we discuss 3 comments, something interesting that we've seen on the internet, either responses to something we've posted or something that we've seen that we thought was interesting enough to discuss. So we'll just discuss each of these comments and posts. So I'll
Yes!
start with something that I tweeted a couple of days ago because of this big new controversy that the Indian comedy scene is facing or dealing with rather. And again, I just find it so funny. Yet again, there's outrage over Snapchat.
Yes.
So I don't know what the deal is with Snapchat and the Indian comedy scene, but they keep popping up every 6 months and then somebody files an FIR. And we know what happened. Yeah, AIB put out a post, meme with the puppy filter on... who's this guy? I can't... नाम याद नहीं आ रहा है उसका नाम.
किम के ऊपर ना?
हाँ, who's the guy's
That
name?
was no one knows that.
It was a Gujarati
He just looks
gentleman.
like our prime minister.
Yes,
हाँ,
yes.
somebody that looks like
Yes,
the
a
prime
Gujarati
minister of a
gentleman
country.
जो-
Yeah.
who was actually standing at a railway
Railway
platform.
station,
और
हाँ.
वो कुछ चेक कर रहे थे अपने फोन पे.
हाँ.
Actually वो सेल्फी ले रहे थे.
Correct.
तो वो वाला जो
ठीक है.
सेल्फी है वो लीक हो गया.
वो leak
Selfie leak हो गया. People lost their minds. We all know people lost their minds. Somebody filed an FIR. So I just tweeted basically, I'm just feeling that there are comedians in the industry who have said far worse if you're talking about outrage.
Yeah, yeah.
And no one's taking that up or no one's noticing it.
समझ में नहीं आ रहा
No,
भाई.
हाँ. So I tweeted this, I said there are jokes in our repertoire that you should question and we would love to defend, Instead you've set the bar at memes and filters. To which somebody replied, and I think it's a very apt reply. The person replied saying, I'm sure they don't get those jokes.
Correct.
So my question is, does outrage in India have low IQ?
It's a great question. Absolutely, absolutely. I mean, let's start with the very basic thing that अगर इसे dog filter कहे versus puppy filter, और puppy filter पे उतना बुरा नहीं लगता लोगों को क्योंकि puppy cute ये वो, कुत्ता बना दिया उसको. Do you get it?
Yeah,
Do you
and I
get it?
think a lot of people don't understand it's a Snapchat filter.
Yeah.
They
Yeah.
think कि किसी ने, someone has drawn
Someone's
or
drawn it, yeah.
Photoshop किया है. They don't understand
Yeah.
that there are 2 million 16-year-olds just doing that every morning
Exactly.
and feeling
there
good
are
about their
celebrities
lives.
who
Yeah.
do it.
Yeah.
And see, that's the premise of it, right? Like, I think a very boss move would be if PM Sahab actually puts that filter on
That
and
would be
addresses
so
the nation.
cool.
Yeah.
But
Like, I
it's-
think
a couple of politicians did it.
they've done it, yeah. Like
Shashi
Obama
Tharoor.
has done it.
Shashi
Shashi Tharoor has done it.
Obama
in
has
India.
done it,
Obama has
yes.
done it. So my point is that वो जो coolness है, and I think Narendra Modi is actually one of the coolest prime ministers we've had. Okay, and I'm saying this in a very non-political way.
See,
I
and
think
people
he's-
think I don't have diverse opinions on my podcast.
No, I really think
He's
he's
cool.
cool.
He's cool.
He's cool. I mean, come on, yeah. There's
Yeah.
like Star Wars
Dude, he
music
dropped. That's what
when
I'm
he
saying. That's what I'm
walks
saying.
on.
So if
Drumming on
Snapchat,
international
Like, see,
platform.
between boring and ridiculous, you be ridiculous.
Yes,
Huh.
Yeah,
yes.
please.
and I'm telling
I
you, Modi will get on Snapchat the day they introduce a Star Wars filter. So it's like, if there's a Darth Vader filter, I'm telling you, before anyone else tweets.
Yeah, I mean, who would have
And
known?
I'm telling you, they'll file an FIR against Modi only. They'll not even see किसने किया
किसने किया।
हमारे
मुझे
PM के
वही लगता
अगेंस्ट
है
क्या
कि
मैं ही हूँ
I think ये outrage on behalf of, तो इसके बारे में बहुत discussion anyway हो
Yeah.
चुकी है अपने country में. Yes, I think it's very very low IQ, and I think that it's also when they come on debates on TV, तो वो expose हो जाते हैं यार. Like,
Yeah.
you know, when they're on TV and like somebody called, I think
Tanmay, donkey shit.
तो donkey shit का, और मैंने कहा wow, मतलब I have never come up with such a great creative word. Like, this is amazing. So yes, it is low IQ, and it's sad because if you really look at comedy, okay, comedy is getting into that space where लोगों को लगता है, and I'm talking about, okay, now because I host a retro radio show, I understand the thinking of the audience that listens to
Yeah.
me. They are the non-Snapchat generation.
Correct.
They are people who love Lata Mangeshkar. So I can understand why at that time there was an outrage with Lata Mangeshkar. They don't know right now, okay, कि ये किस दायरे में हो रहा है. उनको ये मजाक का दायरा शायद पता नहीं है. But I'm unwilling to understand that this is really the public opinion, because the public, you know, honestly has no time for this.
Yeah.
You know, so let's also dial that back and say it's also easy targets, because I think earlier Bollywood used to be a soft target. Okay, when they would get phone calls saying, like, you know, before Kuch Kuch, Karan Johar got a call saying that Abu Salam called him and said that if you come outside Liberty Theatre, we will shoot you. Poor guy missed the premiere of his film. Room में बैठा है, दो security
Why
guard
did
के
he
साथ.
threaten to shoot him?
Because
इतनी गंदी
he's a-
पिक्चर लगी उस पे
यार कुछ कुछ होता है.
क्या ये फ्रेंडशिप बैंड मार दूंगा मैं दिख गया मुझे
So yeah. So I mean, earlier it used to be Bollywood and now it's comedy, and it's just sad because it's become such a convenient target. और अगर तुम सोचो, जिस बंदे ने कहा कि मैं comedian पे offense लूँगा, उसका तो वैसे भी low IQ होगा यार. Just think about it. So yes, it is pandering to the worst of us, because sometimes what happens is it also sets a precedent where you say कि okay, this is how these guys outrage. Tomorrow there will be more young minds who will say this is my way to outrage, when it's not, because there are so
Yeah.
many jokes that comedians are writing with labored efforts, you know, with so much thinking.
So many
how
layers.
how many layers and how many weeks that you write a joke. तो उसका क्या? Because, you know, थोड़ा सा वक्त लगता है सुनने को. Because, you know, the thing about a meme is it takes a second, you know, but to actually listen to a joke, put effort, understand English, Hindi, yes, it takes a little more time. Yes.
ऑल्सो आई थिंक द प्रॉब्लम ये है कि लाइक दैट द गाय हु जिसने बताया ट्वीट करके कि देखो क्या हो रहा है और मुंबई पुलिस ने उस पर रिप्लाई कर दिया, तो उस बंदे ने बाद में ट्वीट किया कि मैं देश को बचाता रहूंगा मरते दम तक. अब प्रॉब्लम ये है कि देश को तो बचा, जो भी है उसको लगता बचा लिया उसने, ये देख के अब और लोग कहेंगे अब हम भी बचाएंगे, तो अब वो ढूंढते रहेंगे और लाइक दिस इज नॉट लाइक गिवन देम मोर कि अब
It's a witch hunt.
और बताओ
Yeah,
हमें.
yeah,
a
there was a
combing.
whole WhatsApp message that's being forwarded around about how Tanmay is in cahoots with Snapchat, and this is all one big planned
Oh, wow.
thing.
वो
Yeah,
एंटी इंडिया
yeah,
टेररिस्ट है
to
तन्मय.
anti-India.
तो जब पहले उसको ये दिया गया है कि हर साल एक बार लता का उड़ाओ, एक हर साल एक इंडिया के मेन पकड़ो ताकि इनका कल्चर ही खराब हो जाए, और तन्मय का
Like
सारा
there is
प्लान ये है.
terrorism,
Oh
there
my
is
God.
there is you know there is terrorism and threat to actual life in other countries where, you know, people are ramming vans into people, people are shooting people, bombing people,
Yeah.
and here in India terrorism is happening through Snapchat filters. People are getting pissed off.
Yeah.
See, I'm not saying outrage. We don't want outrage. I think outrage is essential. If everybody just accepted everything you said, then there could be maza nahi aayega. You
Exactly.
want people to go like, you know, no,
No,
but
there
I don't
needs to be a
agree.
reaction, basically.
Yeah,
is
you
what you're
want a
saying.
reaction.
Yeah, we
but
want a reaction.
Let's the people who are reacting, we need to raise the bar.
Correct.
Like, I'm getting sick of it. Like, I'm getting sick of journalists calling me up and saying, you know, what do you have to say about this? I'm like, it's a Snapchat filter.
आज
You,
किसकी बारी है?
like, you want to take time, you want me to take time out of my day to come to your studio and defend the Snapchat
Yeah.
filter. I don't have time for this. Call Sunil Pal.
Yeah. He has a lot
He has
of
a
time.
lot of time.
Yeah. नहीं पता, but I don't think. See, the problem is not that they are outraging to this. That's not the problem. It's fine. The problem is that FIR is the problem. तुम करते रहो गुस्सा, तुम्हें नहीं लग रहा, तुम गालियां भी दे दो, इट्स फाइन. लाइक
Yeah.
तुम हमने वो इमोशन इवोक कर दिया, so you can't like question that कि तुम्हें बुरा क्यों लग रहा है.
Yeah.
लग रहा है तो उनको लग रहा है, वो जानबूझ के तो गुस्से में नहीं आ रहे. बट FIR थोड़ा ज्यादा जाता है, वहां पे मुझे लगता है कि यार अब तो तुम फिर रोक रहे हो.
Yeah, that's where the police comes into play, right? And people also tweeted about how they are about their own experiences where they have genuine cases that are not being followed up by the Mumbai police.
Yeah.
And this tweet, within 24 hours, they filed an FIR.
So I saw Sona Mopatra's tweet that she stood all day in the police station with like sexual harassment threats and everything, and
Yeah.
nothing was done. And this was attended to in like an hour.
Priorities.
Yeah, there was a girl who spoke about how somebody was masturbating at. Oh, and I cannot even believe I'm using these words.
an
in this.
example, yeah,
How
it's
can you
terrible, yeah.
masturbate at someone? I mean, like
In
such
the
a-
local train.
No,
ask
local
me.
train. That's
That's
such
like
a,
चलो
ask
हिलती है,
any Mumbai girl, any Indian girl. ये हमारे साथ तब से हो रहा है जब से हम like we were not even jawan yet. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, shit.
Like it's something that I just thought men did. I just thought
You
this
masturbated
is-
on trains?
Yeah. I thought, in fact, masturbating was a two-person job. Like one of the essentials of masturbating was having an
That you-
audience. और मैं वो audience हूँ.
Oh,
क्योंकि हमने
किलो
कितनी
रहा।
बार देखा है ट्रेन में. I mean literally, like I've grown up in Bombay, and it's not easy because after a point it just gets so internalized, like you don't even care about it anymore. Like
So they're literally just like whipping it out
yeah,
and then just going at it.
Yeah.
In full, like that's a personal experience. you know,
That's
it's
like a skill also. Like how? How are you
confidence,
doing
an
it?
exercise in confidence.
मेरे
for
से
sure.
नहीं फोन बज जाए खत्म है मूड में. मैं क्या कह रहा? यहाँ ट्रेन में
No,
भीड़.
I tell you, I mean, when I was living in Singapore on the trains, it's a very different experience because
Yeah.
men are not interested in you. तो मुझे बड़ा अजीब लगा. मैंने कहा मैं कुरूप हो गई हूँ. कुरूप. Okay, कि मैं why am I not pretty anymore? Because the Indian like male has psyched you so much that you have thought that this is how you will always be looked at, and they would be looking at their phones. So once I came back to Bombay after like my first stint there, and the first. And I was like, yes, I'm back. Oh my God, I'm back. No, it does that to you because you just think it's part of the environment around you. And it's crazy because sometimes people call us on the radio and they talk about these things. We do take the opportunity to tell people, this is what you should do. I mean, but it's a battle, right? Like, I mean, look at any film song, okay, and this discussion has happened
Happens so
over and
many
over
times,
again.
yeah.
But at the same time, as people who have opinions and who are in these positions, I think that is our job to kind of say this is not okay.
It definitely isn't okay, but just the mechanics of it all is just making me go
Logistically,
like,
it's very difficult.
because तो every time I have ever traveled by train, which was like a long time back,
अच्छा
the men's
just slip that in, baby, slip that in.
no, I'm just saying. But every time I have traveled, the men's compartment is always packed.
Yeah.
तो space कहाँ
No,
से मिल
you've
रहा है?
never,
Like,
you've
how is
never.
this
I'll tell
happening?
you when this happens. अगर तुम 2:15 की ट्रेन लोगे, okay, CST से बांद्रा, okay,
हाँ.
which is a short distance. वहाँ पे लोग वैसे भी नहीं चढ़ते क्योंकि अंधेरी नहीं है, बोरिवली नहीं है, ठीक है?
Okay.
So you're in second class in the afternoon when there's no like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and in the first class. Okay, where there's very few men and there's very few women, because this act can only happen in some sort of space where there's not too many people
Achha.
looking. It's just a 2-person job, guys. It's not like there are lots of people. So that way, and it's kind of weird because it kind of goes into that space of it being like लड़की भी अकेली है. कि उसको पता है कि एक ही लड़की है सामने उसके, तब होता है. Because if there was more than one woman sitting with me, chances are she would and I would, raise our voices, So that's, I mean, I'm talking about my college days, and this is my college, guys.
Disgusting.
Yeah.
हद ही है तो मतलब है तो लॉजिस्टिकली मुश्किल है ऊपर से.
ये तो तब से यही कह रहा है.
ऊपर से नहीं, वो कह रहे लोग कह रहे हैं कि
Logistically
मैसेज देना चाहिए कि ये नहीं करना चाहिए. मैं कहा उसको जिस बंदे ने किया उसको लाइफ में किसी ने नहीं बोला आज तक कि ट्रेन में कर दियो. जब दिखेंगे ना वो बस है वो कर देगा.
Correct.
Like वो पागल है.
No, it's pervy. I also think like I grew up watching people take a dump on the tracks. And this is just the way it is. I think the
But
first
that
time
is-
I saw
And I
penis
discussed
was
that in episode
full
3
view.
already.
Yeah. But I'm just saying. मैं तो नहीं थी ना
But see,
उसमें.
that-
मेरा life experience
See,
साले.
that I don't think is a problem.
नहीं, but I'm just saying that this is how Indian women usually have their first sight of a penis.
Oh
yeah.
People.
Thank you.
See, because
ऐसे
also
नहीं
when
होगा, मेरा
नहीं, I'll
boyfriend
tell
था
you,
भाई.
I know it.
जब तक फर्स्ट बॉयफ्रेंड आया मैं 20
नहीं,
देख
but
चुकी हूँ.
चुकी हूँ.
even when you're taking a dump on the tracks, it's like Coco, depends which side of the train you're facing.
No,
Yeah.
for some
No,
reason
some
they're all
guys.
facing my
No,
way.
no. No, but sometimes if they're facing, if the back's facing you, then obviously you only see the moon. But
I
If
don't
it's
know
the
what's
other way
worse,
around.
sometimes. Like, it's
yeah,
a hard choice.
which one offends you more?
Yeah. What would you choose? Twitter poll करा. देखो.
Yeah, I would prefer the back facing
No, I
because
wouldn't
I don't want
prefer-
like an insecurity complex after that. I'm like, इसका इतना progress
क्या
का क्या
पता ये
फायदा?
हाँ, तुम्हारे लिए तुम मर्दों के लिए ये प्रेफरेंस की बात होती है.
मैं एक्चुअली बहुत
कितना
कम.
प्रिविलेज चला गया तुम दोनों की बातों में से कि हमारे पास तो चॉइस नहीं है.
हमारे पास तो.
But then coming back to this, the cops ignored stuff like this. Like, I mean, even though we joked about it, it is a very serious and
Yeah.
it's a disgusting thing to do.
Correct.
And cops don't care about this. But a meme they got crazy about.
Yeah. I don't understand. मतलब या तो उनको impression बनाना है कहीं पे कि देखा हमने कर दिया solve. Like they want to feel good
Okay,
either.
I
that-
have a different theory, and my theory is that क्योंकि आजकल कॉमेडी ग्रुप्स इतने पॉपुलर है यूथ के साथ और वो इतने पॉपुलर हैं, like at some level the guys who are doing this know that this is their chance to piggyback to fame. Okay, it may not make sense to you right now, but think about it from a point of view कि मैंने यहाँ पे किसी पानी के बोतल को यहाँ पे रखने नहीं दिया था. वही लॉजिक है कि उसको पता है कि अगर मैं इस बंदे के ऊपर FIR करूँ तो मैं फेमस हो जाऊँगा. तो ये वाला भी मेरे को बहुत लगता है कि sometimes these guys are also doing it for their own mileage because they know that hey man, it'll strike a chord with the youth, and this is basically what we will set an example. Ultimately we will not domesticate. What is the word? We will क्या है यार अंग्रेजी में वर्ड क्या होता है जहाँ पे we will set an example,
Set a precedence.
we'll set a precedent to by using the most popular guy, and that's basically
But
what
the
it is.
point I'm saying that even the most popular guy has said far worse
Correct.
Stuff. And when I say worse, doesn't mean I'm not saying it's bad.
Far better
but
written,
Yeah, but
nuanced.
More understandable for an outrage,
Correct.
basically. Yes.
So, but basically, what I'm trying to say, people who outrage in India are stupid. Is it okay to say that they're just stupid? Because I've never, you know, like joke stuff like Karunesh has put out, stuff that I've put out, stuff that you've put out. There's so much I'm surprised no one has gone like, dude, how can you say stuff like this?
Yeah, I mean, it's also a matter of like your joke will come after 2 minutes of you talking in English, perhaps. You know,
Yeah.
that's also a big thing.
So
I
they
mean,
don't have the time
think
to
about
invest.
it. Okay, what is a meme at the end of the day? It's like a poster, right? I mean,
Yeah.
it has no language. It's language a specific. It's something that can be easily shared. It's something that can become your WhatsApp DP. The shareability of a meme and the understanding of
Yeah.
memes is so much higher than a joke. Which is a spoken format. So I
Correct.
think that's where this wins, is my understanding.
Because in America, for instance, like the Dave Chappelle special that went out, some people didn't like some of the jokes that did. People wrote articles, they broke down the joke, like the outrage. Like I was, like, of course they were
It was an
outraging,
educated
but it was
outrage.
such an educated, informed opinion. They broke down his joke
Yeah.
with semantics and stuff
Yeah.
like that. I'm like, this is why this doesn't work, etc., etc. And here we're still on like memes, you know?
Yeah, it's like हम अभी बेसिक आउटरीच पे कि उनकी बेइज्जती नहीं और उनकी इज्जत करो, लाइक वही आउटरीच का पॉइंट है.
Correct.
उसकी बेइज्जती क्यों की, उसकी क्यों
या
नहीं
मजाक उड़ाया, मजाक
की? मजाक
उड़ाया.
उड़ाया.
Absolutely.
जबकि मजाक तो उड़ाया भी, मतलब जोक तो ये था कि मोदी स्नैपचैट यूज कर रहे हैं.
Yeah,
That's the joke.
exactly.
Why would he ever use Snapchat?
Correct.
Exactly. So that same filter on you looks cute.
I like
Yeah.
how he explained this. I love it when comics explain jokes.
Not for you, it's for
अच्छा
the.
नहीं और भी मुझे हर जोक मुझे एक्सप्लेन चाहिए अभी.
तो फिर बहुत टाइम चलो ठीक है.
Yeah, but also good moment to bring up the fact that Rohini has been a good friend of the Indian comedy scene since it started.
Listen
Okay,
please,
so
ये good
she's-
friend का क्या मतलब
but-
और अफेयर चल रहा है? लेकिन
No, but
मुझे
the
बोलते
funniest
ना
part is
Bollywood.
I don't even know if you remember this. My second open mic ever, Rohini was hosting it and she heckled me.
As a host?
As a host, she heckled
Oh, I've
me.
heard only the opposite of
Only
her.
the good
She's
things,
very nice.
very
She's so
supportive.
nice. If
ये
she's
तो मतलब
hosting,
गुरु मैया
हाँ,
है.
मतलब वो तो तुम्हें.
हाँ,
Yeah,
because,
yeah.
and I remember I'm doing the
ये
joke and
बता.
I heard a heckle and I'm just like, who said this? And I'm looking, it's Rohini and I'm like, bro, you just introduced me. What?
क्या बोला था मैंने कहा
I don't know,
ऐसे
long
कुछ बोला.
back. something like long back, you know, like.
Oh no.
But yeah, so that's.
Yeah, I
Chalo,
just
shukar.
think that, you know, Daniel, I was very stunned at the fact that somebody could be funny and good looking. खत्म मतलब डैनियल ने वो पूरा जोक ही निकाल दिया इस पॉडकास्ट में से.
Anyway, so no, but we have serious issues.
इसी
serious issues to discuss, guys.
इसका कोई इशू बताओ यार.
मेरा तो बहुत issues है.
So, but also, I just have one more question to ask. This is, and it has nothing to do with freedom of expression, but are elected officials above ridicule? Are we like not allowed to make fun of somebody we elected? क्या है ये?
See, the debate has been कि where's the line? What do you say? क्या क्या बोलना चाहिए?
हाँ.
क्या क्या नहीं बोलना चाहिए? वो line, I don't think there's like the line will always be a different line for everyone.
Exactly.
So you just we decide हम इससे ये डिसाइड करने से अच्छा हम ये डिसाइड कर लेते हैं कि कहाँ तक आउटरीच करना अलाउड है, ताकि हम पता रहे कि अच्छा ये गाली ही देंगे, हम ये बोलेंगे, फिर हम गाली वहीं तक रहेगी बात, तो फिर सही रहेगा. पर जब आगे जाएगी when the repercussions are like you might get like 3 साल सजा हो जाएगी,
I just
पैसे
think, yeah,
जाएंगे.
the arresting is a little too
Yeah,
much.
it's too
Like, as I said, okay, I'll give you a radio example. I think this was in 2006. प्रशांत तमांग जो है ये इंडियन आइडल बने थे, वो नॉर्थ ईस्ट से थे.
हाँ.
और उस वक्त पे एक रेडियो जॉकी ने कहा था दिल्ली में कि अगर ये सारे नॉर्थ ईस्ट वाले जो हैं वो इंडियन आइडल्स बनेंगे तो फिर हमारी घरों की रखवाली कौन करेगा.
Oh shit!
हाँ.
ये किसने कहा है?
Yeah. And it was I mean, see, instantly, you know, that's not a joke. It's a very personal, it's a comment that, you know, there is no two ways about it.
It's a
Okay,
punch down,
it is. Some people might say कि चलो यार ये तो मजाक में बोल दिया, पर तुम्हें पता है कि exactly क्यों किसी के feelings इससे hurt होंगे. अब क्योंकि तुमने कम्युनिटी के बारे में मजाक उड़ाया है तो तुम्हें लगता है कि नहीं यार, we have to tone it back. That guy had to go into hiding और FIR सब कुछ हुआ था उस टाइम पे. So as radio DJs at that point we understood, hey man, we're on a public medium at the end of the day and we need to have rules. So now on radio you will not hear these three things, which is sex, politics and religion. और ये हमारे like we're so ingrained, like even on this podcast I am very conscious of using
But
swear
you can
words.
say, you're allowed to say
I know
whatever
I'm
you want.
allowed to
I mean,
say thanks to you.
but also as.
But it's ingrained. Okay, it just becomes a part of your training. So I say that, hey, if you know, this is the thing with comedy in India right now, because there is at some level, there is no consistency in either punishment or in praise. ओके कॉमेडियंस एट दिस पॉइंट डोंट हैव दोज दायराज ओके उनके पास अभी वो दायरे नहीं हैं जो बहुत अच्छी बात है एक्चुअली बिकॉज कॉमेडी के मेरे हिसाब से बिकॉज यहाँ पे तुम यू नो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे रेडियो जॉकी और कॉमिक में फ़र्क यही है ना कि कॉमिक फियरलेस होता है रेडियो जी आई मीन आई लाइक टू से दैट वी आर ऑल्सो फियरलेस एंड वी स्पीक आवर माइंड्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट बट कॉमिक हैज़ अ लाइसेंस टू डू दैट
Yeah.
राइट सो बट इवन देन आई थिंक देयर नीड्स टू बी the sort of thing that we all need to, it's not for the others to tell us. It is for us to kind of figure that out ourselves. And sometimes, I'm not saying we need to censor, but we need to understand what would be a better joke. You know? So, what would be a better joke?
See, I would like joke जो मतलब it's not joke अच्छा हो चाहे गंदा हो उससे मुझे उतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्योंकि like वो कौन डिसाइड करेगा ऐसा है तो उस अच्छा गंदा जोक इज नेवर अ
नहीं,
पॉइंट
repercussions के लिए तैयार होना चाहिए.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली वही मैं कह रहा हूँ कि रेपोकेशंस जो हैं वो अगर एक लिमिट तक रहें देन इट विल बी बिकॉज सी इट्स देयर फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन आल्सो टू क्रिटिसाइज इट
Yeah.
बट जस्ट क्रिटिसाइज इट
Criticize, but yeah, exactly. Not
Yeah.
not the extreme
Yeah.
levels. Like I am not okay with a comedian going to jail.
Yeah,
Like,
exactly.
To me, that
Yeah.
is not cool.
Yeah, because anyway you're not supposed to be taken seriously. Like it's not our job to be on the right side also. Our job is to be funny. It's like whatever. But then you can criticize it because you're taken seriously also. But then उसके बाद वहीं पे रुक जाए तो फिर सब सही रहेगा. मुझे बस वही प्रॉब्लम लगती है
I just think that power in the hands of people who are in that position to put you in jail cannot decide these things. मैं कहती हूँ कि यार अगर मैं कहती हूँ कार्रवाई हूँ okay I'm saying what if this comes to a space where there's actually a court case okay जहाँ पर एक कॉमिक खड़ा है okay जज बैठा हुआ है और यहाँ पे वो जो अग्रीव्ड है वो बैठा हुआ है और यहाँ पर ये डिस्कशन चल रही है I mean I would actually pay money to watch
या
this.
जज साहब ये जोक है और
Yeah.
लोग हंस रहे
Book my
हैं
show.
हंसो मत
आपके जोक के अनुसार
there'll be
आपने इस
posts.
जोक के थ्रू आपने 3 कम्युनिटीज को ऑफेंड किया है और आपका यू नो
लोग हंस
There'll be posts on Twitter saying like hearing number 2 sold out.
एग्जैक्टली
Hearing number 3 के लिए early bird tickets available live.
हाँ बाहर लाइन लगी हुई है
Yeah, that's what I mean. Will we ever have a sense of humor as a nation?
I think we will because see it's only जब वो इन्होंने जिस दिन देख लिया वो जैसे मैंने पहली बार जब बाहर की वो मतलब जब मैं बहुत ही कॉलेज में था या उससे पहले जब पहली बार जब मैंने वो पैमला एंडरसन किसी का रोस्ट देखा था फर्स्ट टाइम मैं को ओ ये बोल रहे हैं लोग लाइक आई डिडंट फाइंड इट फनी एट द फर्स्ट मैं शिट लोग बोल रहे हैं एंड पीपल आर लाफिंग एट इट ओह इट मींस इट्स
It's
सपोज्ड टू बी
cool.
फनी देन आई
Correct.
सो दे तो मुझे लग रहा है वो डेवलप हो जाएगा जैसे ही लोग
Because I'd
देखेंगे
love for us to be able to do a roast again without anybody going to jail.
यस एब्सोल्युटली
Yeah.
Not
Absolutely.
because of the preference of insult comedy is easier or something.
Correct,
Just
correct,
that
correct.
to be able to have that license to do it.
Yeah, it's sad, right? I
And
mean, today,
know that,
why
yeah.
are we discussing the merits or the demerits of a form of comedy?
Yeah.
I mean, how stupid is that? You know, like कि roast ही नहीं होना चाहिए. मतलब ये तो वही बात होगी मम्मी ने कहा पार्टियों में मत जाओ लड़कियां रेप होती हैं
हाँ.
यू नो कि पार्टी में क्या खराबी है राइट इट इज एन इंसिडेंट ऑफ कोर्स इट बी केयरफुल बट देन आई हैव अ लिटिल मोर यू नो टू से ऑन दिस कि हमारे ही कंट्री में हास्य कविता का बहुत लंबा ट्रेडिशन रहा है
Yeah.
ओके वेयर यू नो पीपल हैव टेकन द पैंस ऑफ थिंग्स
अरे.
आई मीन शायरों ने किया है आई मीन अगर देयर इज अ इंस्टेंस ऑफ साहिर लुधियानवी एक्चुअली सेइंग दिस टू इंदिरा गांधी
हाँ.
यू नो कि यू नो उर्दू चली गई बट आपने ये उर्दू फेस्टिवल रख लिया एंड they've said it and they've not been on that wrong side you know so so it's kind of so it can happen okay am I saying that the craft of it at this point is lacking I
Yeah.
still think that comedy in India is very nascent
Yeah.
okay we
Yeah.
think because we live in Bombay and we're all friends with each other
Yes.
कि ये तो इतना बड़ा हो गया
कुछ नहीं.
actually बड़ा तब होगा when
कुछ
you
नहीं,
actually have yeah so a